Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Wipro SUPERSET language certification. They are asking so many questions you are asking from a comment section. So I'm going to explain that. If you are not just subscribe to my channel, just subscribe, then only you may get a more update from my channel. So let's go to the page. They sent out almost 2 pages to all the candidates, those who are registered in Wipro for on SUPERSET platform or in Capgemini and so many companies. They are just asking, please confirm if you are having a certification in Japanese, French, German language or any other language. If you are having any certificate, if you have done any certification course in English language to study in abroad, it will be helpful for you in future. If you think it in school days, if you've done any certification apart from that, you can give selection. If you can select any option. Suppose if you learn French or Japanese or German for higher study, if you are learned whether you are not able to go due to some problems or money, financial, everything. So don't bother about if you are having certificate, means just click it yes, otherwise leave it as it is, no problem. The second, please confirm the certification body from where you have received the certification, Hexagon, JPLT, NAT Center, International Debate, etc. with your attachment copy below. They're just asking about this all the centers which are teaching German language, French, all other the language which are they mention in the international things. They provide any certificate, means you just want to certificate with the copy. Suppose you just want to upload it in a PNG, PDF or TTF or any format, you should upload it. If you are having, means if you are not having, leave it as much NA, just give it and submit the form. This is what they are asking. The next page will be, I think both few of them get like this. No, same page only. Language and certification check, mandatory question they are asking. So same as we are seen in the below. This is briefly they are mentioning for few of the candidate. So both are same. Nothing won't be there. If you are not having, just give a NA and don't fill it. Leave it as it is in your SUPERSET platform. No problem in this. It won't affect you anything in your exams or resumes or applying companies. No problem, guys. So leave it as much it can be. If you are done, if you are doing also, you please keep it. Whether if you are having a good knowledge in any MTech higher studies, I'm going to study, so I just learned German for free education. Like that, your teaching center, you are going and learning German, Japanese, French. You just put it. Otherwise, don't leave it. No problem. No one will ask you anything. This is not a issue, but you are asked. So only I just made one video. So thanks for watching this channel. If you have any doubt regarding any companies, any interviews, everything I am providing here. So share to your friends and watch the video till the end. If you have any doubt, comment me. I will reply. If I am not reply, means you just comment 1 second, bro, you are not replying. I will surely reply. Comment is important for me, and just as I like my channel, then only you may get a quick update. Thanks for watching, guys.